This short video is about drawing a line that matches the route listeners will follow when they do your voice map tour. It's almost always the first step after you create the tour. The exceptions are tours with no route and driving tours with a long and complex route. When the Route Map tab opens, Draw Route will be selected and the map will display in satellite mode. You can move around the map in Draw Route mode, but if you're concerned about accidentally adding a route line, click the Move Map tab, then click, hold, and drag the cursor. We recommend zooming in as close as you can, so you can draw your route line as accurately as possible. Find the location where your tour starts. With the Draw Route tab selected, click on the map. This adds your first node. Now, click where you want the listener to go next. As you add additional nodes, you'll see a line being created. If you make a mistake, click the trash can symbol to delete the last node created. You can also delete a node by right-clicking on it. The route line is what the listener will be following, so you want to be as accurate as possible. Stick to one side of the road, go around buildings, and use pedestrian crossings when possible. We'll also use this line to estimate how long each location's audio can be. The more accurate the line is, the more accurate these estimates are, which ends up saving you a lot of time later in the process. As you add to your route line, you'll see the distance and time increase on the left of the screen. The time shown is how long it would take to complete the route from start to finish without stopping, at the estimated speed for your tour type. This is a walking tour, so it's based on an average walking speed of 5 kilometers per hour, or about 3 miles per hour. Once you're happy with your route, click Save. You can also come back to this tab to add or adjust your route line later. The next step is adding the locations where audio will play. You can do this a few locations at a time and extend your route as you go, or finish your route line first and then add all the locations afterwards.